You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome along. Today, we're really going to try and unpack the just incredible pace of change happening right now. We'll pull apart some amazing stories in tech and science.
Yeah, absolutely. The goal is to cut through the noise, connect some dots between these, sometimes seemingly unrelated advancements, and give you the stuff that really matters.
Exactly. We want you to walk away with the key takeaways.
We'll sift through it all: AI shifts, human capability changes, medical breakthroughs, making sure you get actionable insights.
Okay, so first up has to be this intensifying AI race. Meta just made a pretty big move, didn't they? Setting up a new Superintelligence Lab.
That's right. And they appointed Shengjia Zhao as chief scientist, one of the co-creators of ChatGPT and GPT-4.
Wow. So he's now steering Meta towards AGI, artificial general intelligence. That's the holy grail, isn't it? Machines that can think and learn like us.
Pretty much. Far beyond the specialized AI we mostly see today.
So what does Zhao moving to Meta really mean for the competitive landscape? Is this just about grabbing talent?
Well, it's more than just a talent grab, I think. It signals a real strategic push towards building their own AGI. It's a direct challenge to OpenAI, for sure. And it could reshape that whole debate about open source versus closed source AGI development. And what's really interesting is how AI itself is evolving. It's not just about, generating text or images anymore. We're seeing this rise of what people are calling agentic AI.
Agentic AI. Okay, what's that exactly?
Think of AI systems that can actually set their own goals, plan steps to achieve them, even correct themselves along the way. They have memory, context, like a little autonomous research assistant.
Right. Learning from past interactions.
Exactly. But the big challenge, and it's a crucial one, is how do you manage all these agents? How do companies scale this up without it just becoming, chaos?
Yeah, I can see that being complex. And speaking of challenges, there's that huge one that often gets overlooked.
Yeah.
The energy cost. AI is incredibly power hungry.
Oh, absolutely. It's not just the financial cost, though that's massive.
Yeah.
It's a looming environmental issue for the whole industry.
But people are working on it, right? I heard about efforts to develop new chips, more energy efficient ones specifically for inference.
Yes, exactly. Inference, that's when the AI model is actually doing something with new data, making predictions, rather than just learning.
Like the doing phase.
Right. And these new chips, if they work out, could save companies, potentially tens of billions of dollars.
Yeah.
And maybe ease that reliance on NVIDIA, the so-called NVIDIA tax.
Okay, so from those core AI issues, let's pivot a bit. Some of this human-machine stuff sounds absolutely mind-bending, like Neuralink.
Yes, Neuralink. They're collaborating on a clinical trial for a Smart Bionic Eye. The idea is using AI to help blind people, identify faces, navigate, maybe even read.
So restoring basic vision first.
Exactly. But the future goal, the really ambitious leap, is this Blindsight brainchip. They're talking about superhuman vision.
Superhuman vision, how would that even work?
Well, the idea is to bypass the damaged eye completely, connect directly to the brain's visual cortex, stimulate perception directly. It could potentially offer capabilities beyond what natural eyes can do.
Well, that is straight out of science fiction.
It really is, pushing the absolute boundaries.
But, okay, while Neuralink is exploring that kind of far-off future, we're seeing other human-machine interactions making huge strides right now, robots becoming more accessible.
Yeah, absolutely. Look at China's Unitree Robotics. They're selling a humanoid robot, the R1, for under $6,000.
Under 6,000? Seriously, what can it do?
Well, it weighs about 25 kilos, has 26 joints, and it's got multimodal AI, so voice and image recognition. For that price,
Yeah.
It's pretty remarkable.
Under $6 K. What does that actually mean for regular industries or even homes?
Well, it's not just making the robots themselves accessible. It
Yeah.
really democratizes the R&D around them. You could see a whole wave of consumer applications cropping up. It might kickstart a personal robot market way sooner than we thought.
Interesting. So that affordability really speeds things up.
Exactly. Accessibility is a huge accelerant. And that same principle, that speed and accessibility, is just exploding in medicine right now, too.
Oh, definitely. The pace there is just staggering. We saw the U.S. FDA approve lenacapavir, brand name Yeztugo.
Right, the HIV prevention drug.
The first one that's 100% effective. And get this, it's just 2 injections a year.
Incredible convenience.
Yeah. It works by stopping the virus from getting into cells. And Gilead, the maker, is apparently working on making it affordable too, which is crucial.
That's a massive win for, traditional drug development. decades of research paying off.
Absolutely.
But even that is being amplified by AI now. This is the key thing. AI is powering so much of this medical revolution.
How so in this area?
Well, okay,
Yeah.
slightly different example, but it shows the speed. A data scientist and an immunologist recently used AI to design cancer-killing proteins.
Okay.
They did it in a matter of weeks. Normally, that process takes like a year and a half.
Weeks, down from a year and a half?
Yeah. And these AI-designed proteins actually worked in the lab. They help T cells kill cancer cells. It just shows the incredible speed AI brings to drug discovery, to personalized medicine.
Wow. I mean, think about the human impact of cutting that wait time down from years to weeks.
Exactly. It changes everything.
So, okay, let's just quickly recap. In just these few minutes, we've gone from AGI labs and energy-saving chips
To bionic eyes and robots
Yeah.
you could maybe afford.
and 100% effective HIV prevention and AI designing cancer cures in weeks. It's like we're touring a future that's arriving way faster than expected.
It really feels that way sometimes. Makes you wonder how we'll even keep up.
But also, what incredible problems we might solve next with all this converging tech.
It does. And maybe this raises an important question for you listening. As all these technologies mature and start working together, which one do you think will actually hit your daily life the hardest and the soonest? Something to think about.
Spoken Tech for your ears.